Today, we're going to install a brand new Durango diffuser onto this 2020 Dodge Durango. The VZ number is vz102478. As you can see here, it comes with 5 pieces. So the 2 side pieces that you will attach right here, and then on the website, you have the option to choose between these 2 middle plates, which will attach right here. So first, we're going to go ahead and attach the 2 side pieces. What you're going to need is 6 screws, which will be provided, and a Phillips head. Here you connect these together. And right here is where you'll be screwing the 3 screws on this side and the same thing on the other side. Let's go ahead and do that. So attach the 3. First one, now to the second one. Let's tighten them up. There you go. There's your 2 side panels. Next, we're going to attach the middle piece. So for this installation, we're just going to go with the regular smooth one. The second one does come with like a bigger bulge for the tow hitch in the back. These will be optional to choose for when you order them on the website. And this, all you need to do is just clip the bottom. So you want to start right here in the middle to clip on and then go to the sides. Next, we're going to go ahead and lift up the Durango and then take off the OEM diffuser. About right there. Up next, you want to go ahead and you want to get a 9x32 socket to remove the 2 screws that hold your diffuser right here and by the back rim. Make sure not to lose them because you are going to have to use them for the new one. Let's go up here and take off the second one. There we go. Put these over here. So the next tools you're going to want is you're going to change the Phillips head to a star tip. Take off the 4 star bolts that are at the bottom, and you're going to need a 10mm wrench to take off the 2 10mm bolts that hold the diffuser. And the 4 be right here, 2 on this side and 2 on the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. About 4 and place them right here on the rim. Now the next thing you want to take off is the 10mm bolts that are up here that are right behind the spare. Remove the first one, and then we're gonna go and do the same thing, remove the second one. And there you go, that's both of them off. Now what we can do is just pop off the diffuser. So as you're taking off the diffusers, you're gonna see these white tabs. So what you wanna do is you wanna push in this little clip right here. You want to push it in and then be able to lift up the clip, and after you take it off, you'll be able to take off the diffuser. So after you do that on one side, you want to do the same process on the other side, and your diffuser should be completely off. That's one side off. Now we're going to do the same process onto the other side.
There's a clip right there.
There you go, OEM diffuser off the Durango. So yeah, these clips right here that end up holding, they will attach right here and then they eventually go inside the trim right here. As you can see, there's approximately 12 of these white clips that you have to detach. So we are going to end up going with the other second piece because the flat one does not give enough space for the diffuser to install because the tow hitch right here is too far out. You can have the tow hitch removed. Right here you can see the bolts where you could remove it if eventually you don't ever plan on towing anything with your Durango. Now we're going to go ahead and install the diffuser. What you want to do is you always want to start off in the middle, place in the clips. Show you here clip. You go over here. That. Do like a little banging. Put all these. Make sure you have it lined up. If it's too much on one side, as you go to the other side to install it, you are able to pull it as I just did. And there you go. Now what you are going to do is you are able to reach inside to put the tabs. The process of putting tabs, it does skip. So since there are 12 tabs, you put 6 on each side. Right here it's going to go 1, 2, skip, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 4 tabs that are automatically put in, and then it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, skip, 5, 6. And that would be all the white tabs that we took off earlier. Then go ahead and start putting your OEM screws. So on the 4 at the bottom, 2 right here that we took off the 10s, and then the 2 that we took off on the side that are right back here. So I'll go ahead and start doing that. That's the last one. Next we're gonna go and attach the 10-inch bolts that go right up in here on both of these edges. There are those 2. Now on for the last 2 screws, which are the 2 side ones that you use right here and right here, which holds the plastic covering onto the diffuser. And the last one over here. That's all the screws back in, all the clips and everything. Now the last part you will do, super easy, is from your OEM piece, there are these 2 plastic little clips that twist. So what you would do is to take them off, is you twist it the one way, lower it, and then twist it back, and they pop right off. And what these are gonna be used for is to hold in the small piece right here onto the diffuser, which would then eventually you would remove this to then get to your tow hitch. These 2, just like that. You just place them in. Like that. 1, 2. All right guys, so that's it for the installation video for vz102478. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hit us up on YouTube and watch us all for new future content and new future projects over at vicrez.com. Hit us up on social media on Facebook and Instagram at vicrez.com. Call us anytime. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock to 5:30. Call us for any questions about new products, installation tips. Thank you guys for coming on. Thank you for showing the support.